This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by alan.psimas. Located in the Cove neighborhood in Ingleside, this newly renovate ranch home has a living room with gas fireplace, 4 bedrooms, 2 half baths, eat-in kitchen, laundry room, and a 2-car garage. The interior of this home has just been painted. The kitchen was just updated with white cabinets and new granite countertops. The HVAC was installed in 2020, along with LVP flooring throughout. Come enjoy the deck overlooking the private fenced backyard. For more information, review the details below.